Hey guys, and welcome back. It is Proxy here with another Subnautica and Chill. Probably one of the last episodes, because today we are going down into the lava lakes to see the last remaining unexplored alien base. Let's jump right into it. So last time we left off, we actually got some really exciting blueprints, the ion battery and the ion power cell, and I'm very excited to make them. I don't really think it's going to come into play just yet, since we're mostly going to be in our prawn suit that already has a thermal power thing. But I still want to build them just because I can. And then also, since we are planning on going into the last alien base, I just wanted to be prepared. So I'm going to make another purple tablet, a blue tablet, and an orange tablet. So I have two of each at least on me, and hopefully enough power cells. But to start off with, I am going to take Patrick down. And we are just quickly going to go on a resource run for gold and silver because I'm in desperate need of that in order to make the ion batteries. So I'll see you guys when I'm done crafting all of these things. Okay, so now we are making our batteries. I decided to make only 6 iron power cells. So that we have enough, just enough to power the Cyclops when we need to get out of here. So, yeah, I'm really excited to see how much energy this actually gives. How much more energy this gives the Cyclops. And we are about to find out. So let's run over there. And put them in and see how good our Cyclops feels. Okay, so the Cyclops currently has 1200 energy. So let's see how big of a difference these ion power cells really have. Cycling them into the iron power cells. I don't know why my mouth keeps wanting to say iron. It's ion. 6,000 energy. Wow, that really made a big difference. Well, that was well worth the investment. Okay, so with that, I think we are prepped. We have 3 spare batteries, we have 1 of each tablet, 3 nutrient blocks, 3 first aid kits, and then 4 filtered waters. I think it is time that we venture deeper into the lava zone. I'll see you guys when I get to the lava lakes or if something exciting happens on the way. Okay, I'm guessing this is where I need to go. I might be wrong. But down we jump. I hear Mr. Angry. Okay. Let's go to where seems to be the only entrance. And this seems... yeah, this seems like a lava zone to be sure. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's a warper over there. Ah! Hi.
I am what you seek. Want to help you.
Okay. Well, best get going then. Nervous chuckle. Going into the belly of the beast here. Oh goodness. I hear another one of those sea dragons. Oh, okay. That seems to be the entrance. Oh, so many warpers. So little time. Okay. Oh, let's get going. Hopefully the warpers don't get me. Or the sea dragon, wherever he is. I'm just going to run. Oh my goodness. Almost there. Almost there. I'm too afraid to look back. Oh. I don't see him. The sea dragon. I think there is one here though. Well... let's go in. Are my feet? My feet are okay. Can I have a blue tablet? For the field control. Ooh, we can get more ion cubes there. Okay. Well, let's take one last look. Oh, it's scary. Ah! What the hell? Oh my gosh! No! You're not supposed to be here! You're not supposed to be in here! This isn't water. Get! Oh! Is he just gonna keep following me in here? He's even going inside. Oh, this is a... Ooh. Well... guess I'll just have to be careful of him. This is a very weird glitch.
Warning, vaccine development program
Case dead.
Embryo egg hatching project terminated. Live specimens terminated. Evacuate immediately.
Oh. Goodness. Well, let's draw this since we're here. There's not much in here. Okay, well, that gave me a few. What's happening? Ooh. I guess that's how you make more. Well, let's get out. I want to explore. I want to explore. Hey, little guy. Enzyme 42 project data. According to translated data logs, an indigenous Leviathan species was found to produce a unique substance referred to as Enzyme 42, which inhibited the symptoms of the Kharaa bacteria infection in other indigenous organisms. The specimen was captured and contained in a purpose-built habitat for further study. The alien researchers went to great lengths to provide for the life form's environmental needs, including the import of interdependent flora and fauna via an on-site warp gate. However, its health quickly deteriorated. When quarantine was imposed, all warp gates and force fields were sealed. All attempts to develop the enzyme into a vaccine had been unsuccessful. Well, let's see what's in here. Ooh, more research? It seems to be just this preserved fetus. Oh. Oh, shame. See Emperor fetus. Found preserved in a display case, it was likely a child of the adult specimen contained within the facility. Physiology: superficial damage to the specimen indicates it was artificially removed from its egg casing. Stunted tissue development suggests the organism expired during the removal process. Tissue samples have been taken from the digestive tract. Analysis: it appears the aliens were attempting to formulate a cure for the bacterium from enzymes produced in the specimen's digestive system. Without a young, healthy specimen, these efforts were in vain. So they just took it out of the egg, which killed it, and it was no use anyway. That's sad. Okay, back down we go. Should probably not just jump. There are lots of stuff here to scan as well. Alien object. It's a weird looking thing. Alien building block. So if you were able in below zero to come all the way to this side of the planet, maybe you'd be able to get this and Alan would be able to make his body out of that. That's very interesting. Ooh, what this? Tracking implant. This construct is emitting a high bandwidth signal consistent with alien transmissions intercepted elsewhere. DNA on the exterior indicates it was once implanted inside one of the life forms indigenous to planet 4546b, its size suggesting the subject was a Leviathan class organism. Beyond tracking and broadcasting its location, the implant may also have recorded biological data on the subject. However, this data cannot be retrieved. Oh, so it's kind of like how we put tracking devices in whales and other fish or mammals so that we can track where it goes, track its mating paths, where it goes to lay its eggs and such. So they probably implanted this into whatever is in here to track its movements throughout planet 4546b to gather the necessary fauna and flora for its survival. Interesting. Ooh, unusual box. Organic matter particulator. That's a funny name. Okay, empty case. Oh, why can I scan it then? Ow! Why'd you hurt me? Was it an accident? Ah! Mean! Okay. Ooh, nanobots. Well, it just attacked me, so I don't agree that it is not harmful. Okay. Ooh, translation device. Okay, let's go to the other side. Oh, there's another one. I'm scared of them. Rudimentary tablet. Where are those? Circular object. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so we went up there. We came down here. That's the way to go. Let's start on this side. I should have brought more water.
This room appears to be a biological archive storing more than 40 indigenous egg specimens in different states of development.
Oh. I don't think I can scan most of them. Yeah. There is a data box though, data terminal.
Integrating new PDA data.
Oh wow. This must be bigger. Even bigger than the sea dragon. Sea Emperor Leviathan research data. Specimen size categories have been adjusted upward to accommodate the species. Ooh, it must be really big then. Feeding and digestion. Alien research data indicates that despite its size, the species feeds entirely on microorganisms it filters from the water, which themselves depend on a complicated ecosystem of plant and animal life. Reproduction. Large ovary-like organs are carried in the creature's middle section, suggesting that, like other species on this planet, it produces eggs. However, internal scar tissue indicates probable infertility. Enzyme 42. The Emperor manufactures enzyme 42 within its stomach cavity to break down its food and will occasionally expel it into the surrounding waters. This substance was found to neutralize the effects of the bacterium, and its presence in the ecosystem today would explain how life on the planet survived that outbreak. It would remain to be explained by what mechanism the enzyme is being delivered. Interesting. So maybe the Kharaa bacteria has been on this planet for a long time, but because the sea emperors used to be just in the environment, they were releasing or secreting enzyme 42 into the environment on a consistent basis, which probably dampened the effects of the Kharaa bacteria. And then when the aliens came to this planet and they started experiencing symptoms, maybe they weren't in the water as much and exposed to enzyme 42, I'm not sure. They actually, it seems, caused the near extinction of the sea emperor race or species, and thus Kharaa bacteria was able to devastate the environment. That's quite the comment on the human influence on our planet. Health. Comparative analysis of size and metabolic rates indicate the specimen captured by the researchers was approximately 1,600 years old. Wow. Extensive internal and external scar tissue suggests it had lived well in excess of the peak lifespan for its species. Assessment. While a healthy emperor specimen may have held some potential as a cure, it is unlikely any research subject survived quarantine procedures. That's quite interesting. So maybe because the aliens were able to just build bodies for themselves, maybe they didn't really have a idea of mortality and then took too long in their efforts to cure themselves of the Kharaa bacteria and then did all this damage. Wow. Oh, wow. Is this how they transport all the stuff here? And this is like tiny aquariums of the different biomes that these things come from. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, I can scan this. Inflow pipe. Peepers entering the containment facility. The pipelines drawing water into the containment facility are filled with peepers arriving from the surface. The fish show no signs of distress. Well, that's good at least. The specimens scanned have all consumed high quantities of seed and organic material from the surface. Some specimens are beginning to show signs of infection. Okay, so they're coming in from the top. Outflow pipe. So this is pumping water in from the outside. This is pumping water out from the inside. Enzyme host peepers leaving the containment facility. Oh yeah, because the one skeleton we found that said that it might have been a ancestor of the peeper said that it could carry the enzyme, but it can't make it itself. The outflow pipes are filled with peepers traveling back towards the surface. Specimens show no symptoms of infection. All specimens scanned are carrying enzyme 42, which data suggests inhibits the bacterium. Specimens' stomach cavities are otherwise empty, suggesting they may have purged the contents before entering the pipe. Assessment. If peepers have evolved to distribute the enzyme via the pipe network, this might explain part of the mechanism by which life on planet 4546b has survived since the bacterial outbreak. Yeah, because I was just thinking, if there are no enzymes being released in the wild, how did they survive? But this explains it. That's a nice bow on top of it all. Let's see, there was a data terminal here.
Integrating new PDA data.
Ventilation control. Water flowing to and from the primary containment facility is being automatically controlled independently of other safeguards. Data on the water composition has been recorded. Inflow. Water is being drawn from different biomes around the surface of the planet. The water temperature is considerably I always struggle with that word. Lower than the volcanic environment outside the facility, while microorganism and nutrient counts are substantially higher. Outflow. Oxygen-deprived water is being flooded from the system and recycled back to the surface. Interesting. Okay, so we've just been through all of those places and all of those places. I'm probably going to cut it out because it's just a bunch of warp gates that I activated, and I'll leave the bits in that was interesting, like the egg research and the water distribution system. But for the main event, let's go inside. Do you think I should bring... Let's bring Patrick, just in case.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
For the main event. Oh. It's so cool also that the water is kind of opaque, so you can't really see it in. Okay, well, let's go in. Almost 1,500. Oh, hi. Oh.
Are you here to play?
Sure.
Others came here once. They built these walls. They played alone. They bored me. Now they're gone. And instead, we have you. We are curious whether you swim with the current or fight against it, as they
Oh,
do.
wow. Oh, she's so big. Wow. I'm gonna stay in my... Oh, wow. Just look at the size of it. This is so small for that big a thing. This is not big enough. Oh, wow. Are those your eggs? Oh, look at the... Like... I don't know what to call it, but that's really cool. Oh, you're so big. This... I'm sorry. This fishbowl is way too small for you. I'm sorry they put you in here. Let's go see your... Oh. Look how big you are. Oh, wow, you're so fast too. Hey, little guy.
Detecting unusually passive behavioral patterns in nearby predators.
Oh. Does she... And it's so sparse in here. It's no wonder you're sad.
Environment scans indicate the water here is rich with a rare plankton-like life form, which depends on the organic detritus produced by the ecosystem around it.
Yeah. Let's go see your eggs. Oh. Just put... Oh. What's this? I can scan it. Oh, it's that thing. Hatching enzymes. The emperor's specimen's eggs are attached to some form of incubator. In a normal life cycle, it seems likely that sea emperors would have buried their eggs in shallower waters where different organic materials in the soil would have triggered a hatching response. The incubator suggests the aliens have resorted to developing artificial hatching enzymes, which would simulate the egg's natural hatching environment, but were unable to discover the formula. With extensive information on the sea emperors themselves, it may still be possible to fabricate a artificial hatching enzyme using indigenous ingredients. However, the only surviving source of information may be the sea emperor itself. Well, it's a good thing it can speak telepathically to us now, isn't it? I'm guessing this is where... Oh, it's for an ion cube. Oh, was I supposed to do that? Oh. Hi. Hi.
My young need to have
Uh-huh.
to play outside this place. We have been
You're
here
so
so
big.
long. The others built a passage to reach the world outside. I asked them for this freedom, but they could not hear me. If you help us, I will give freely what the others tried in vain to take.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll help you. Should I put the thing in there? Okay. It's not even active. There you go. Is that better?
With the passage you've opened, my young can leave this place. But first they must feel the time is right and break free of their shells.
Yeah, how do I do that?
This is what the others could not force from me.
Oh.
To you, I give
So
the
big.
secret willingly.
See that sparkly
Blueprint acquired.
trails she's leaving? Okay. So, okay, let me just get some air. And sea emperor's life cycle. Available biological data has been used to synthesize the effects of the alien bacterium on the sea emperor's natural life cycle. This creature likely lived and moved in small herds around the planet's ocean trenches, coming to the surface to feed off of the huge volumes of microorganisms in the shallower waters. Family size would be strictly limited by available food supply. Yeah, so kind of like whales. Offspring would likely split off at a younger age to form their own herds elsewhere. Given their sparse population, mating and egg laying was likely infrequent, perhaps once in a lifetime event. The species likely had a preferred environment for egg laying. In fact, successful hatching may depend on such conditions. Given the rarity of this event, it is impossible to calculate those conditions precisely. Oh, so maybe that's why they couldn't figure it out. At least not in time. There is no evidence to support the assumption that all members of the species were immune from the alien bacterium. Even if this is so, there is evidence that introduction of the bacterium decimated life on the planet, and this would have had catastrophic effects on the emperor's food supply and survival rate. Yeah, so it was kind of symbiotic, the sea emperor releasing the enzyme that helps suppress the bacteria that's killing their food supply. Oh yeah, the symbiotic relationship between this specimen and other life forms likely developed as a direct result of the bacterial infection. Those life forms which learned to keep the emperor alive survived with its help. This may explain the vast tracts of lifeless ocean in a rough perimeter around the emperor's location. Because the other life forms can't survive without the enzyme. I'm guessing even the plants can get the Kharaa bacterium and die. And then we have a new blueprint for hatching enzymes. Okay. Eye stalk seed, sea crown seed, fungal sample, ghostweed seed, and a bulb bush sample. So we opened 4 warp gates. So I'm guessing one of them we should be able to find here, or maybe through this other warp gate. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Okay, let's explore. So I guess I'm just looking for potential cave systems because I haven't really found anything on the surface. It's actually quite sparse. Yeah. So, a cave. Oh, yeah. This is what I need. I have it. It's quite big. Oh. There's a lot of them here, actually. It goes even deeper. Oh.
The plant life in this area is growing outside its normal conditions. Other life forms fertilizing and pruning the vegetation may be offsetting this environmental deficit.
Oh, that's so cool. It actually goes really deep. But yeah, if you guys ever play this, you can get the sea crown just here in the hole. By this thing. Just to save you some time. Because that took a while of searching.
Welcome aboard,
Okay.
Captain.
Thank you. So now I have to go back up and... Where's the thing over there? Try and go back up. I'm gonna try and use these things as stairs. And then go into the other warp gates to find the rest of the stuff that I need. Okay, warp gate number 1. Numero uno. It is very bright. It hurts my eyes. It is very bright though. I wonder where this one takes us. I haven't gone through them yet. Does take a while to go through some of them though, so... but here we are. Okay. I'm gonna bring Prony with me, just in case. Just because I don't really know how dangerous it's going to be going through these. How far out? Ah, so this is the bulb bushes. Hey, no! Go away! What the hell? They should be able to come through these. Okay, I'm gonna do this solo. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh goodness. No, leave me alone. Ah. It's very dangerous out here! Ah. Quick, knife! Okay. Okay, we have the second one. Oh gosh. Oh, why are you attacking me? You. Douchebag, you. Okay, warp gate numero dos. Okay, 240 meters. I think this will be a bit safer. I think I'm gonna actually leave Patrick over there. Oh, he's sitting! And... okay, we're safe. A light, please. Okay, what are we meant to find here? Oh, fungal spores. I'm guessing it's just like the caps of these. Yeah, I guessed right. Okay, and back we go. I didn't even realize these trenches. And numero tres. Okay, 270. The hell does that sound? Oh. Okay. Found it. Where's this? Ah, ice stalks. This doesn't seem too far from the base. Yeah, ice stalk seed. Got it. And the last one. And this is probably for the ghost weed. I'm just gonna leave my prawn suit over here. Oh. Is this in the Lost River? Actually, it might be easiest because we still need to fabricate it. So it might be easiest just to come from here. And but I don't have any beacons. I was not prepared. We're gonna have to do it anyway. So let's get Patrick and we'll walk down with him so that we can use him to go back to home base. Well, Tree Cove base. And then we can go fabricate the enzymes and then hopefully find this again and come back through here. I don't want to go back through the lava. There's ghost weeds here. Oh. Things are scary here again. What is this? Silver. Sweet. Oh goodness, no, 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 no. Okay, it left. Let's try again. Must be quiet. No. No, don't come for me. I see a ghost weed. Oh goodness, no, 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 no. Where can I hide? Where is it? Okay, it's over there. It lost interest, I hope. I think it lost interest. I saw a ghost weed somewhere. And I'm scared. Over there. Okay. Okay. We're still okay. Okay. We have all the stuff. Oh, you're so loud. Where is... I can only see the home beacon. There you are, Sam. Okay, I need to figure out how to get to Sam. Okay. I'm not here. Just ignore me. Oh, no! 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 Leave me alone! Okay, I think he's ignoring me again. Okay, I think it's this way. If I remember correctly, and stop getting stuck in trees. Oh, these things again. I love these things. The sea spiders. They're so cool. Hi. Are you trying to attack me? You're so cool. Okay, I think it's like this way. Okay, and we're back.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Thank you. Okay, so now we just need to go fabricate these enzymes. I guess this is where the sea truck would be nice, actually. Okay. Make a hatching enzyme. And there we have it. Okay, we have the hatching enzyme. I'm gonna bring more of these and more water. Okay, and back we go.
Captain.
Okay, no, I think I'm gonna leave him here. It was really difficult to get him here, so... Sploosh! Okay, where are your eggs? Again, down there. I have the enzymes! I'm going to free your babies! I don't think I can free you, but I can free your babies. Okay. Yay! Okay, let's just go stand over the air bubble. Oh, look at them! They're so tiny and cute! Oh, oh, you're going to your mommy! No, look at the little guys. Do you imagine they're gonna become that big? And there's 5 of them. Oh. Hi, little guys. Can I scan you? I can scan you. Right.
My young are swimming for the shallows. I thank you. Their freedom is my end. What will it be like, I wonder, to go to sleep?
Oh,
and
they're
never
coughing it
wake
up.
Perhaps next we meet, I will be an ocean current, carrying seeds to a new land. Or a creature so small, it sees the gaps between the grains of sand. Farewell, friend.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're dying. Give it a pitch. Or pat. I'm glad I could help your babies though. That's really sad. Well, let's touch the enzyme. Looks like jelly. Oh. Oh. We should do a self-scan.
Self-scan complete. Vital signs normal. No remaining sign of bacterial infection.
Okay, so we are cured. Let's go get some air. Oh my word, that's so sad, but that was so beautiful. And I love the design of the eggs, how they kind of like unfurl, like the petals on a flower. That's so special. Let's see if we can follow them. So they went out into the world. Also want to see where this phase gate goes. I glitched out there for a moment. Oh, look at them! They're just swimming around, coughing out stuff. Oh, there's a warper. Come on, warpy. Attack me. I dare you. I dare you. Attack me. I can scan you now. Aw. And then we come out at the enforcement platform. And we can now finally, once more, go back into the enforcement platform and once and for all deactivate that blasted thing that blasted us out of the sky. I just love how this game just neatly wraps up all of the things. All of the pieces of lore and everything is neatly wrapped up in a bow. You can understand everything. Everything makes sense. It's really cool. And I get to go through this thing again, which is awesome. Okay, so the moon pool, the big moon pool. And then if I remember correctly, the enforcement platform is just up here. And then we can start making a plan to get off of this planet. Go back to wherever we came from. So close to the end. And yet, still so far. Because there's going to be a lot of things we need to do to get to that. But here we are, guys. We're finally ready to end the quarantine protocol. Ow. And there we have it, guys. The enforcement platform is officially turned off. And that's it for today, guys. In the next episode, we will be going back down, getting all of our stuff back into the Cyclops, and then taking the Cyclops back up to the surface so that we can build our spacecraft and launch out of this place. We are so very close to the edge. I am so excited. This game is and always will be one of my absolute favorites that I just keep going back to. But for now, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like or a comment and to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I hope you have a super awesome day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!